How to fix Disney Plus error code 83. So you might be in the position where you are trying to log into your account and have access to it, but you land on this interface where it says that something went wrong, please try again. In this place, what you want to do is, first of all, head over to any of the web browser or the Safari, and then open the site Disney Plus Server Detector. It will land you on this interface. In this page, it will show you if the server of Disney Plus is stable enough or not. If the server is not working properly, then it might be one of the reasons that you are facing the issue. In that case, all you can do is wait for the server to get fixed. Once it is done, now the next thing you want to make sure that the internet connection is working properly or not. The network should be stable enough. Once you have the stable connection, it might fix the issue that you have been facing, and then you'll be good to go. But if you are still facing the issue, then you can simply restart your device and then use the application Disney Plus. So these are some of the ways in order to fix Disney Plus error 83. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching till the end.